again. Bound to Netherlands for Ward Racing after a DNF this morning. And speaking of DNF, the 353 CRG has rolled to a stop. Manuel Miguez out before the start. Manuel Miguez, the 353 CRG, abandoned on the roll-up lap. The Spaniard is out. We go down one more time. Garda Karting. Scott Lindblom for the Tony Kart Racing Team. Winner of the first round of the WSK Euro Series at Pract, of course, the last year from Grid 1. We race. Scott, the Swede, has taken the lead. And the Tony Kart driver leads Guadalajara down into the far part of the circuit. Filippo Sala sends it around the outside. We watch Jacopo Martinez and Ian Kralik as well for the Kart Republic team. Scott is gone. The Tony Kart disappears down the road. Sala sends it down into second place. The Indonesian Guadalajara loses the position. Good performance this weekend from the driver from Jakarta in Indonesia. Inside the top 5 as Scott beats across the line for the first time. Sala put out his stand. Martinez and that is rallied. Luke Crochet for the Victory Lane team. And the driver from Cork in Ireland. That's the two-time Irish mini champion. It's CK Daniel Kelleher. Almost misses the corner though. Charles Samuel. Into Arata, Bruno Gris just behind. The now Lithuanian, the former pole, Bruno. Ali Krisen, Kalausian, and Mark Van Rooyen, 3-3-4. Just outside the top 10. Sala kicks off from second place. There's Jacopo Martinez who goes through. To Iron Kralik, he pushes in. Maniganento, Dean Hugenson again from the back of the grid ahead of Kavalsic. Alexander Sadie and James Adder knock the others. James A from Melbourne rounds out the 20 on debut in WSK. See the Dutchman flying. Storming drive from 32 to 12 in the first heat. 32 to 10 in the second heat. The Netherlands get inside. Maria Germano Neto. Sala goes purple. 6 of the second is 3 into the second behind Lindblom. The 6 of the second is the gap between Sala in second and Scott, the Swede, in the lead. Martinez, Kralik. There's the Victory Lane driver. Louis Corset, the new HRX suit of Louis in P5. He's now behind the 351 CRG of the Japanese driver, Ryotaro Sakai. 3 out of buses just coming up to Sakai now. As we start lap 6 of 14. Kralik 308, Daniel Kelleher 312. The Kart Republic, Coach there as well. Scott Lindblom now about to start lap 7. So lap 6. Who can all pass across the line for the 8 Motorsport team. Steven Dutchman behind Max van der Roy and Van der Netherlands. So in 5 laps, Team Higginson has passed 20 drivers for the AKM Motorsport team, and he's catching his battle. He races on. Just ahead, Kosei Grit into Arata for the World Racing team. That comes down the hill. Knalsian, Oliver Simak, Max van Rooyen, and Team Higginson. 20 cars in 5 laps. Here comes Team Dutchman. Just the white tower again. Next in line, he's Dutchman. Max van Rooyen comes the Netherlands. Team Higginson, P10. On the back of Melvin Kalausia from Sweden, he's a silver driver from Sweden. In position 1, who leads, it is Scott Lindblom for the Tony Kart Racing Team. The WSK Supermaster Series, round 1 of the 15th season of this championship, which commenced back in 2010. Scott Lindblom, winner of the first round of the WSK Euro Series of Pract, has got the race lead. Max van der Rooyen with the fastest lap of the race. Team in the purple sector. Team is flying. Trying to take Melbourne, he may have already got him. Right across the line. Team Higginson fighting with Darren Chang. Team dominating the field here. From the back of the grid, Team Higginson from grid 32. He's in position 10. The AKM Motorsport Czech Republic hooked up. Where would he be had he qualified? He'll be contender for the final tomorrow, the assured. Oliver Simak, Max van Rooyen have just retired. That makes life easier for the Dutchman. Billy Paul meanwhile, halfway distance into the final corner. Philip Paul centered. Rich between Motorsport. Position 1. Martinez con 2 piccoli questa tappa, il Final Cup. Open Cup, scusate, anche il vincitore, il WSK Mini Super Cup alla Coppa, la prima edizione, speriamo anche quest'anno 2024 a Viterbo, il WSK Super Cup. And watching to the final corner. Ivo Sala has got the lead from Scott Lindblom. Jacobo Martinez there. We got an iron track as well. Daniel Gallagher. In P5. A storming drive from Team Higginson. From grid 32. Up into P9. Next in line. Melvin Cavalsi in the second lead. Cena dominating the field. He's past 21 go-karts. In the first half of his race, the World Racing driver. The World Racing drivers plural just ahead. We are watching Team Higginson as Filippo Sala continues to lead. Goes white coming down the hill. Melvin Kalausian looks back over his shoulder. Darren Chang still there. Trying to hold on to Alexander Xavier, the Canadian. 4 laps now remaining. Qualifying weekly versus E, the WSK Supermaster Series. Sala in Scott. Jacobo Martinez there. Endorata, bronze at hand, also for World Racing. Just ahead. He's trying to take down Louis Cochet for victory lane. Has Scott on the back of Filippo Sala. Italiani. Comandano questa gara tra di loro due. Sala e Jacobo Martinez e sempre Scott Lindblom, il Tony Kart Racing Team. 3 giri alla bandiera stati. Il Trentino Filippo Sala. Next up and Vincent Burnett in P15. for the future motorsport team. Giada Barty from the back of the grid. Happy to 17th place. Great drive from Giada Barty. As you see the 360 card, Oscar Gallo with the mechanical defect flag. Unfortunately for the pole for the MG Racing team, the rear bumper is dragging on the ground. A quick pit stop, they can put it back in place as Henry joined. We saw it last week in the WSK Champions Cup. It's not a black flag, it's not the end of the race. A pit stop, you can put it back on and rejoin. The MG Racing team can then quickly go to work. He does not need to retire. Although being the penultimate lap, it looks as though he's done so. Giada Barty was driving up inside the top 15. Now Slata Kovalchik as the top female. Giada drops back to 23rd position. Giada jump through the chicane now. As we start, l'ultimo giro. Dalla guardia indietro. Al Jacopo Martinez, gli italiani. In testa anche in seconda posizione. Jacopo Martinez, vicinissimo. Il trentino. Closes the door, chiude la porta. Guarda la linea esterna. Oh! Bravo Jacopo! Around the outside, la linea esterna. Per Jacopo Martinez vincerà questo man. Non davanti in sala, ma Ian Kralik e Scott Lindblom. La bandiera a scatti. Jacopo Martinez, Kralik second, and Scott third for Filippo Sala. Daniel Kelleher, the Irishman, 5 from Kose into Arata, Melvin Kalausian from grid 32. Team the Dutchman, home in P9.